Welcome. In front of me is HP Compaq 17, and in this video I am going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So I'm gonna show you the two ways in which you can do this. The first one will be from your system if you have access to your system, and the next one is from a turned off PC if you cannot access your system. But either way, first of all, you'll need to know your recovery key, the recovery keys for your laptop, because in case the BitLocker locks your device in the recovery mode, you'll have to enter it unless you want to lose access to your system until you reinstall your Windows. So let me switch to another PC where I'm going to show you how to access your recovery keys. So you're gonna need to have an internet access. Okay, so let's open a web browser. Here let's input aka.ms/myrecoverykey and use this in your search field. Then you'll have to sign into your Microsoft account. Okay, then click next. Once you input your email or mobile phone number, then enter your password. And press enter to continue. And on the following page you'll see the list of your BitLocker keys. And you can find the BitLocker recovery key that is connected to your HP, either by device name if you know your device name, or by key upload date if you remember the date when you first set up your Microsoft account on this device, or the last time set up your Microsoft account on this device. And if you don't know either of these two columns values, then you can use key ID value that you're gonna see when your PC gets locked in the by the BitLocker. So basically just use a key ID as a reference to your recovery key. And in case your device gets blocked by a BitLocker, simply enter the recovery key that matches the key ID that you will see on the screen. And that's basically it. So now let me return back to the laptop. Okay, and if you want to enter recovery key on your laptop, if you have access to your system, then open the start menu, then open power options, select restart, and before you do that, hold down the right shift button and keep it held down until your device is restarted, basically until you see the please wait sign, but not this time, but before once your laptop starts booting up. So keep holding the right shift button, and once you see the please wait sign, just you can release the shift button and then just wait until your device boots up into recovery mode. Now in recovery mode you can either navigate using your external mouse or using arrow buttons to navigate, and enter to select. For now I'm gonna select turn off your PC in order to show you the second method using which you can enter the recovery mode. So when your PC is turned off, what you have to do is simply turn it on and then turn it off again. Turn it off when it starts booting up. So press the power button once to turn it on, and then to turn it off, hold it down right now. Then let's once again turn it on, and basically repeat this process until you see preparing automatic updates on your screen. Okay, hold it down, and now let's turn it on again, and this time I think we should see the preparing automatic update sign. Let's wait. Yeah, so right now just wait until your device boots up into the recovery mode. And as you can see, we got locked by a BitLocker, but basically the recovery menu would be the same. I think we might still be able to see it. Okay, so now let me use the recovery key that you can see right here as a reference. Okay, so use this first part of the recovery key to find your of the key ID to find the recovery key to your device. And once you find it, just enter it into this field and press enter to continue. Okay, and I just entered the recovery key, so let me press enter. Okay, and now I'll be able to access the recovery menu again. Let's just wait for a couple of seconds until it boots up. Okay, right now using the arrow buttons, right arrow button, select advanced option, then press enter to continue, and then here we can go, for example, to troubleshoot, advanced options, again navigate using your arrow keys and select using enter, and basically do whatever you need to do in the recovery mode. So I'm gonna and to go back, click backspace. So I'm gonna turn off my PC again, and that's basically it. That's how you enter the recovery mode on your device, and that's how you unlock your device if it gets locked by a BitLocker. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.